Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. If you are class 6 at DAV Public School, Cuttack and preparing for your annual exam 2025, this is for you. Today we will solve mock test 14 with the most important math question from different chapter. So take your pen and paper and let's get started. First question number 1. Solve the following equation. First question, how to solve? Now in this a number 6 minus y, if we minus 6 then 6 and 6 will be cancelled, otherwise not. Yes or no? That's why we both sides subtract 6, that is 9 minus 6. Any doubt? Now 6 cancel, the remaining is minus y is equal to 9 minus 6, that is 3. So now y is equal to minus 3. If you multiply minus sign both sides, then minus minus plus left side and the right side is minus 3. Answer. Next, bit number B, that is y minus 6 equal to 9. Here y minus 6, if we add 6 then it will be cancelled. Similarly, we add 6 on right side, that is 9 plus 6. So y equal to 15. Now 0.5x equal to 25. If you divide 0.5 both sides, then it will be cancelled. Now x equal to 25, 0.5 we can write 5 by 10. So x equal to 25, the next the fraction 5 by 10, it will be reciprocal, that is 10 by 5, because when we divide two fraction, the second fraction will be reciprocal. So 5 2 ja 25, 2 ja 50. So answer is 50. Next question. The power of the variable of the linear equation, that is 1. Also remember cubic equation, that is 3, and quadratic equation, that is 2. Then what is power? The power means exponent or variable exponent or power is called power. Now next, dash is the collection of the number gathered to give the some information, that is data. Next, the area of the rectangle is given and the length is given. Find the breadth. So write down area of a rectangle equal to 1560 centimeter square. Now length equal to 60 centimeter. Now we find breadth. The breadth formula is area divided by length. So area equal to 1560 by 60. 0 cancel. 6 2 ja 12. 6 6 ja 26 centimeter. Therefore, breadth of the rectangle is 26 centimeter. Next question. I already completed up to mock test 12. If I not see the session, then you can see. Go to the playlist. Now, next question number 5. A field is in the shape of the rectangle whose length is given. So write down L equal to 130 meter and the breadth equal to 95 meter. Find the cost of the fencing means we find the perimeter. So find out perimeter. Formula is 2L plus B because it is a rectangle. 2 130 plus 95 5 carry 1 2, that is 450 meter. Now write down cost of fencing 1 meter field equal to 20 rupees. Now find cost of fencing 450 meter field equal to 20 into 450, that is 90 rupees or 9,000 rupees. Next question. Find the area of the rectangle whose length is given, breadth is given. So simply you write area equal to length into breadth, that is 45 into 32. If you multiply, then you can get the answer. So multiply 45 2 ja 90, 45 3 ja 15, 12, 13, 0, 14, 4, 1, that is 1440 square centimeter or centimeter square. If you want to download the PDF, then you can join my WhatsApp or Telegram group. I already upload all the mock test PDF in Telegram channel. Next, question number 7. The bus fare for 20 person from Delhi to Chandigarh is given. Okay. So, bus fare for 20 person equal to rupees 9,500. Now find bus fare for one person equal to 9,500 by 20. 0 cancel. 2 4 ja 8, 2 7 ja 2 5 ja. Now find the bus fare of the 19 person. So bus fare for 19 person rupees 475 into 19. So multiply, then you can get the answer. Next question. So that's all for today. I hope this session was helpful for your exam preparation. Keep practicing and solving more questions. If you like this session, then you can subscribe, like and share to your friends. All the best for your exam. Thank you.